Yeah, what's up? It's your chick Breezy. I'ma sing Love Won't Count Me Out by Brandy. And I'ma sing it a cappella. And y'all tell me what y'all think. Subscribe, and tell me what y'all think, cause y'all count out there. And I just want y'all to tell me how I'm doing, you know? Alright. Oh, I believe in us. Tell me, what are you thinking? Why can we make it? Why would you say those things to me? If you're trying to break it, just go ahead and say it. If you are in love, then why let it go? Tell me please, what's happened, baby? You used to think that you couldn't live without me, but now you think you're better without me. So now it's over, and I guess it wasn't true when you said I love you, because love just wouldn't count me out. Comment me, subscribe, holla at me.